do the whole process again. Let's not go to the code yet. We get this Apache 2 Ubuntu default page. We look at the website. Very cool. It just looks like a standard page. If you're a normal user, I don't know what's happening. I don't know what this page is about. Probably it's currently unavailable due to maintenance. If the problem is this, contact the site's administrator. I don't want to do that. What you get here is an idea of which pages you can and cannot navigate to from the website. For one, you can't access any of the /var/www files. So that made me think this is not an Apache exploit, right? It's not like you're supposed to go like, oh, they didn't do, I don't know, they didn't take care of like proper security shenanigans with Apache. And they also give you the word list in the note. It's you're allowed to and intended to brute force pages. You can use any way you wish, but use a following word list. Don't use another word list so that Jonathan doesn't get complaints that the site uses too much system resources. Cool. The word list is pretty big, even though it's small.txt. It's a lot of words that I'm just too. I don't want to try all of them. So that's why I make a computer do it for me. So you just read it, right? Look at the number of words here. I actually don't know how many words are in the list. Words in the list. Number of words in the list. Data len. Let me do that. Then I'll print it. Okay, now so C B2 Python bf.py. Yes. This is a Python 3 feature. I think 3.7. 3.7, I think. It's or maybe 3.6 actually. When was format strings? Or which standard? Which version? I don't know what they're called. Version Python introduced format strings. 2.6. No, yeah, F strings. It wasn't in 2.6. I know it wasn't. When was it? PAB 498, 3.6. Yeah, okay. So I'm actually curious. How many are there? Oh my god. Python 3. 500 words. Okay, cool. So we know. Oh my god, don't do that. We know that we want to try all the words. We want to try accessing all the words here, right? Do we have anything in the chat? No. Okay. Wait. Did I add user friend? Add friend. Okay. Okay. We want to add whatever we get. Like we want to add the website and this link at the end because I'm hoping that. Oh wait, I didn't even talk about that. Okay, so we have the small list. Let's just take any of them. Let's try crack. Actually, no, never try crack. That's a bad idea. However, we're gonna try it right here. We look at network to see, I guess like the search history or like not search history, but like the the uh, the web pages, like the requests that are made on the site. First, we look at crack. 302 found here, or 302 found. That's the status code. Look at this, we get 200 OK. Okay, cool. Right? If we look at the actual site, if we just let the site load, that's okay. No, I'm not gonna look at this. Close F12 network. Okay, cool. Let's Control R. Right? We get a 200 on the first time we access this. So that tells us that there has to be something where we're just accessing it, or when we access it, we get a 200 instead of 302. Right? So first, this code, the start stream won't work, right? We need something that shows us the history. And I'll do, so the way that I just did this on stream was just literally looking at what we got out of our history. Do this, I'll see it. A bunch of response 302s, right? When does this happen? This happens when you access a web page and you're redirected. So for one of these words, any one of these words, that won't happen, and there won't be a history, which means that the length of the history should be 0. So let's delete this line, don't find anything, and then we try that. That'll tell us what. Oh yeah, that'll tell us which strings work at the end. And yeah, so there we go. We have one word, one that works. Right, login, and We can just let it run. There aren't any ones that work, any others, sorry, that work. So we can just try that here. So slash login. We have some username and password. It looks similar to the username and like the login for this page, but it's not. It's not the same login. Sorry. No, it's not the same login. That's not a problem. I made an account on this called Stream Friends. I'll just access that again. The username is stream. Actually, we can check now. Do you guys send passwords as plaintext? Yes, you do. That is bad. Do not do that. Do you guys do that here? Better not. I'll be. Oh my god. Wait. Let me do this first. I'll just register. Make a new throwaway account. Bill. H H H H M H M H M H M. This is my throwaway account. McPhee. Okay. Register 400. This is a very bad idea. Why are you doing this? Why? Who is doing this? It's a terrible idea. Actually, is this a terrible idea? I think it is. I think so. I don't know. I have a suspicion that it is. Bill. Oh, I tried this. It's not McPhee? Okay, McPhee. Let's just do it twice. Now I want to delete my account. Well, it's probably just like assets compatible.ca. Alright, let's just go with that. Okay, good. Oh my god, are you serious? I think it's good that you have a confirmation. But yeah, okay. You to not to use a password use elsewhere. Yeah, because you guys are literally gonna steal everybody's logins for everything. I really want to delete my account now. If you're storing the password as plain text, that makes me sad. That's my account. It's a different password though. Contests. Okay, where were we? We were here. We were at login. We're not logging as admin. There's no thing in the browser that goes like, oh, this is the user. Okay, the site is not doing this. So there has to be some sort of other thing that tells the site who's logging and what's not, right? That's where the auth cookie comes from. Probably you can just guess there's an auth cookie. It's pretty simple. It's not like a hex. I thought it was MD5 at first. I thought it was like a clever like hint at the previous problem, but it turns out that it's not. It's literally just hex or ASCII. You just paste that in, convert admin false. There's a space here. I guess we can remember that. Swap. Yeah, this site is kind of bad. Admin true, and then no delimiter. Copy, paste, refresh. We're not logged in as admin, bro. Let's try like capital. Come on, just let me in. Just let me in. What is? Oh my god. What is the original one? I feel like I just made that one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Log out. Log back in. Just delete this. Put you here. Log in. Stream. Friends. I forget what it is. Swap. I'm just making a new website, or I'll duplicate this. Okay, admin. Oh my god, there are no quotes. That's why. Swap. Then replace this with true. Convert. No delimiter. Convert again. Grab that. Paste that in. No! Come on. Copy. Enter. Refresh the page. We get the flag. Coolios. Cool. Let's go back to contests. The War on Christmas. Have they said that they don't want me? I'm getting a lot of notifications on my phone. Is it Jonathan saying? Okay, nice. Nobody's telling me to stop. Do I have anything in the chat? It's gotta make you confirm all passwords on MGCI CTF Club are stored with industry-grade encryption. You can just tell us what the encryption is, right? It's probably like what? AES. No, AES wasn't crack. I think it's AES, right? Or the better encryption. I don't know. um, right, we were on problem 3. We did problem 2. I think, yeah, we just did problem 2. That worked. Problem 3. Okay, now we get back to what we were doing earlier. How much time was that? It's PBKDF2. That's pretty cool. I'm curious, what is this? Key derivation functions. The sliding computational cost. What? Okay. What is happening here? Pseudo random function. And repeats this process many times. Okay. Makes faster cracking. Yeah, key stretching. Oh, cool. Minimum iterations was 1,000, but the parameter is intended to increase over time as CPU speeds increase. Kerberos standard in 2005 recommended 4096, 2000, 10,000. Last pass 5,000. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah. We don't want to